Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your premium subscription in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now obviously the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now once you have logged into your Adobe Express premium account, alright, the next thing that you need to do is go to your account page that is going to be found in the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. I want you to click the manage account. You would be forwarded to this page. Now, once you are inside the Adobe's account page, I want you to click on the plans and payments tab and click the plans. What will happen is you will be forwarded here, and obviously you need to click the Adobe Acrobat Pro Manage Plan included on your plan. Access your apps. Just click this Manage Plan. Now, not only I have upgraded my Adobe account into the Express, I also upgraded to the Adobe Acrobat Pro. Matter of fact, we have a separate video if you are a fan of our channel on how to upgrade from Adobe Acrobat free trial to Adobe Acrobat Pro Premium. You might want to check that on our channel, but basically these steps are the same. All right, and from here you have the option to change your plan, and obviously click the cancel your plan because you would be forwarded here instead. Now obviously these are going to be the steps. There's like feedback and there is details, there's some review. All I have to do is just follow along. All right, just choose the reason for your cancellation. Right, just click on others if you want, and from here you might want to check first before you cancel your subscription that all of the data has been backupped and you don't have anything left. All right, and then once you're decided, just click on the continue. You want to make sure that everything is not missed. All right, so this is going to be your final chance before you decide to ultimately cancel. All right, so here are some steps. If you want to have a different plan, you might want to opt to do so. All right, you have all these options for your disposal if you want to make some consideration. But if you really are decided at this point, just click the no thanks, and then I highly suggest you read and understand all the information here at this point. This is the last step, which is very important. All right, and you receive like a refund of that. Once you have clicked the confirm button, just wait for it to update, and then as you can see, the cancellation was successful. All right, now you want to make sure that there are no hidden fees and trials. You might want to double check your account again. And going back to my Adobe account, just making sure that I have all that set up. You see I have two invoices. One is for the Adobe Acrobat Pro, and of course the second one is going to be the Adobe Express, which is obviously I have canceled both of them. I'm going to check the Adobe Express just to ensure. I'm going to click on the view invoices, and as you can see, I don't have any anything more to worry about because I have successfully canceled the subscription for both Adobe Express Premium and Adobe Acrobat Pro. Now, if you're encountering any problems along the way canceling both subscriptions, or you're having problems canceling your Adobe Express Premium account, you might want to go to the Adobe customer support. Okay, and these are going to be the channels where you can reach them. When you reach out to one of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems canceling your Adobe Express Premium account, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.